All right. Good morning, Phoebe.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, I'm Zag, and I'm the senior graphic designer of this company. And we are a US-based company and looking for a junior graphic designer. And yeah, I think you're interested in working with us. So, but before that, we are going to just want to know more about you. Can you tell me more about yourself?
Okay, sir. Once again, good morning, Sir Zag. I am Fabi Simanlangit and I am an aspiring junior graphics designer. I am currently working as a part-time ESL teacher at 51 Talk. And to be honest, aside from teaching, graphics designing is also my passion. Before, I used to edit videos and pictures for my social media accounts, and I also create inspirational contents for my Facebook page, though I don't have that enough skills in this field. So that's why I took the opportunity to join the training conducted by the DICT so that I can enhance my skills in this area. That's all, sir.
All right. Thank you for that. What do you think are your strengths and your weaknesses?
With regards to the strengths, sir, I am an organized person. I want everything to be organized and in order. I can work efficiently when the things around me are organized well, and I'm also a reliable person. I'm someone whom you can trust with, and I make sure that in every task I do, I make sure to do it as soon as I can. And when it comes to my weakness, to be honest, I'm an indecisive person, so I'm struggling about that ever since. So whether it's a small or big decision that I'm going to make, so I find it hard to decide sometimes. Maybe because I'm afraid of making the wrong choices. But I'm slowly overcoming that weakness by taking risk. And every time I took risk, I always put in mind that whatever the results are, whether it's good or bad, I will learn something from it.
All right. Thank you for that. Do you, aside from being an ESL, what other freelancing job
Uh, to be
do you
honest,
have?
sir, I don't have any experience in freelancing, and I just heard about this during the training when I joined the graphics design training conducted by the DICT. So it was my first time to hear about freelancing, and I was also able to know what are the positive and the advantages of working as a freelancing. So as a freelancer rather, so that's why I want to I want to experience and also know more about this field.
Okay. Yeah, I think you already have a training in graphic design. So, what do you think is your specialization in graphic design?
When it comes to graphics designing, sir, because of the training that I have attended, I have learned how to enhance my skills. I have learned how to use the software, specifically in Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. Because of the training, I was able to know how to edit images and retouch images, background removal, and I also learn a lot of things that will be applicable and that I will be used when I will be lucky and blessed to be part of your team.
All right. Um, in this company, I think you already mentioned that we are a US based company, and yeah, you're probably working in a different time zone. And this position also is a full time job. So you will be working 40 hours per week. Is that number of hours okay with you? And is it okay for you to work in a graveyard shift?
Yes, sir. I know that this job requires a lot of time, and working in a graveyard shift is okay with me since I'm just a part time ESL teacher. I own my time, I have time freedom, and I think I will be available with a different time zone. And I will also make sure to have time with this because it's my passion to work with you.
All right. In this position, you're going to work in the different teams. So probably you're going to work with the graphic designers also, or maybe you're also going to work with the marketing team, which will give you tasks on creating designs of some marketing materials or promotions. So are you okay to work with a team, or do you prefer working solo?
Yes, sir. It's okay with me to work with a team because I find it as an opportunity where I can learn from my colleagues, and working in a team also would be beneficial for me, especially if I have problems that I will encounter in the future. I think my team will be of good help. But whenever I will be having a team who doesn't want to cooperate with me, well, that's the time that I would prefer working alone because sometimes it's better to do something alone than to work with someone who doesn't work well and doesn't cooperate with you, sir.
Okay. Yeah, this position as a junior graphic designer, we are offering a basic rate for this one, $4 per hour. Is this rate okay with you, or do you have a more specific range of rate that you prefer?
Whatever the service fee range, sir, that would be fine with me since I'm also a beginner and I don't have any experience working as a graphics designer. This will be the first time I will be working in a company, so any service fee range will be okay for me as long as it is a reasonable price as I work for longer hours, and as long as the projects that I will be creating is also suit for that price range, sir.
All right, thank you. Yeah, in this position as a junior graphic designer in this company also, we have a different type of clients. There are some clients who are nice, and mostly clients are strict, especially in terms of the output of the project. So I think you will encounter some negative feedbacks. Yeah, expect that. So do you think you can take a negative feedback? And if there's any, how can you handle it?
Well, for me, sir, dealing with different kind of people is okay with me, and negative feedback, I don't take it as bad because for me, negative feedbacks are ways of improving yourself and developing your potential. So for me, I take negative feedbacks as a constructive criticism where I can learn from it and enhance my skills in the area. And receiving negative feedback also is good because you need to know what are the things that you need to improve and what are the things that you will not do the next time you work, sir.
All right. I think I don't have questions anymore. Do you have any question?
Thank you so much, sir, for this time. I don't have any questions, but I just want to know, sir, what are your expectations from me as I am an aspiring junior graphics designer. So whenever I have the chance, or if ever I will be blessed to be part of your team, what do you expect from me? So that's all, sir.
Okay, my expectation is for you to do yeah, to provide the task. Probably it's a basic task as a junior graphic designer. Mostly you are going to create some social media contents or images and some graphic designs that our client would request. And yeah, my expectation for you is at least you know how to use the tools, like in Adobe suite, like Photoshop and Illustrator.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the basic requirement that we need for you as a junior graphic designer.
Okay, sir, that is noted. Thank you so much, sir, and I'm looking forward to working with you. And I hope, if given the chance to work with you, I will meet your goals and achieve your vision in your company. Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you, Phoebe. And we're going to update you probably 2 to 3 days. We're going to email you regarding the status of your application.
Thank you,
All
sir.
right. Okay. Thank you, Phoebe, and have a great day.
Have a great day, sir.